The miracle of love. Our brain is surrounded by a brain-blood barrier that acts as a physical shield to keep out toxins and most microbes while letting in glucose and other nutrients that are essential to the brain. Other lines of defense are equipped within the mind-body. These include the nervous, endocrine, which are designed to recognize and destroy all foreign invaders that enter the mind-body. Our Creator has uniquely designed our immune system with the ability to identify and destroy and to remember the markers of the antigens it has been exposed to so that the body can provide a better and faster immune response the next time these antigens re-enter the body. As we grow older, these defense systems require more need for penetrative maintenance. This does not limit our ability to perform and enjoy an active lifestyle of optimum health and wellness. If our mind-body does not keep active, physically, mentally, emotionally, we will rust out and decay. The human body is designed and uniquely structured to last for more than 100 years when properly made. Some researchers and healthcare professionals have suggested that the reason we experience degenerative diseases, cancer, heart problems, that people are living longer. This could be true for a small percentage of our society. However, according to a recent study conducted by the American Institute for Cancer Research, 1/3 of all preventable through a combination of dietary changes, adequate activity, and maintenance of appropriate weight. Avoiding tobacco and alcohol could prevent an additional 1/3 of the occurrences of cancer. The report suggested that 200,000 to 600,000 cancer deaths in the United States each year might be prevented if these recommendation guidelines were followed. The concept of preventing or influencing the growth of cancer has been studied since the early 1942, Tannenbaum described the enhanced effect a high-fat diet had on growth in animal models. In 1981, Dahl and Pito reported that dietary factors may account for 35% of cancer deaths, and a report published by the National Academy of Science in 1982 presented convincing evidence about between dietary fat and cancer. Citizens need to be better educated about health issues. Education could reduce the cost of healthcare within our community. The role of the diet in the prevention and management of prostate cancer is undergoing intense. There are multiple causes of prostate cancer involving the aging process, hereditary, hormonal influences. Perhaps the most important environmental factors are diet and lifestyle. Researchers have accumulated information indicating that diet and lifestyle play an important role in the prevention and management of disease. Epidemiologic, animal model, biochemical, molecular biological done to evaluate the effect of nutrition and diet supplements on the development and prevention of cancer and other diseases. These studies have begun to yield results that allow healthcare professionals to advise patients regarding their diets and life. The studies should include information on emotional stressors, which multiply our problem. The presence of prostate cancer cells is surprisingly common. Autopsies have shown that cancer cells can be detected within the prostate in 26% of men aged 30 to 40 years and 38% of men in their fifth decade. Prostate cancer cells seem to exist either as latent cancers whose numbers expand very slowly, which is the situation in 85% of men, or as actively growing cancers with the ability and propensity to. Researchers say this change in behavior from a slow-growing, latent cancer to aggressive carcinoma is not, but it is the subject of intense investigation.